Hello everyone, welcome to Cyber Community. In this video, we are going to show you that how you can install Mint. Now, the Linux Mint, how you are going to download from where you have to download. I already have given the link in the description, and you can see here that this is the Linux VM images website. So from here you need to download you once you will go down and here is the VirtualBox image. You have to click here. Once you will click, it is going to download in sometime something it is showing 16 seconds. So now here is a trick that I already have the downloaded. So now I'm going to show you that how actually you are going to accept. So this file has been downloaded, right? Now I'm going to right click here. So obviously this Linux Mint is going to take time to download, right? So don't think that I this is going to download within a second. So it directly depends on your speed, internet speed, and maybe approximately it is going to take 5 to 10 minutes, I believe, if you have a good internet connections. Now, so here I need to extract it. So I'm going to extract it as a file. So let's extract it. Now it will take some time. You can see here is the Linux Mint uh, folder is already here. Now, meanwhile it is extracting, let me open my VirtualBox, which I already have opened, and you can see uh, the previous three videos which we have installed Kali Linux, Ubuntu, and ParaTOS, right? And this is the fourth one. Now, in these four operating system, you need to install only one for the lab setup. I don't recommend you to install all these four, but from out of these four, at least one should be in your lab setup. So let me show you. I think it has been completed, right? So now what you have to do, you have to go in this folder. So just double click on it. Now you can see here there is two files. One is VirtualBox machine and the second one is virtual disk image. Now to execute you just need to click on this VirtualBox machine file. So let me click on this, double click on it, and it is directly going to uh, take all the settings from the VirtualBox. Now I'm going to just start it. So the first startup, it is going to take time because it is going to install. So maybe within 1 or 2 minutes it is going to take. So let's wait for it. Meanwhile, it is installing. Let's see the username and password, right? So if you can see in the description, okay, yeah. So if you can see in the description, there is a link actually which is related to Linux VM images. So you can go through this website. Let me show you what actually the password, Linux VM images and password. That's it. And this link also I will provide you. Now here each and everything you will get all the user and password of different OS which is given by the Linux VM images. So we are going to search for the Linux Mint. Let me see where it is. Okay, Linux slide we got it. Yeah. So the password and username is itself Linux Mint, Linux Mint and Linux Mint. Now let me go here. Okay, it is installing, just near to complete. Okay, let me cut it down. Meanwhile, let me copy this username and password. So this is the Linux Mint username already given, and let me give the password here. Okay, it is not pasting. Let me, yeah, it is not pasting. So Linux Mint is the password. Let me type here directly and hit the enter button. So that's it guys. I mean it is loading and this is actually what actually the process of installing all the OVA files Linux. So we have installed Kali Linux, we installed Ubuntu, ParaTOS for penetration testing and red teaming, and this is the Linux Mint, which is one of the very fast Linux you can say. So that's it in this video. I hope this is going to help you. And in case of any doubt, in case of any concern, you are most welcome to just write your whatever your queries is in the comment section. And definitely I'm going to reply all those your queries. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet you in the next video.